Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, definitely not a tech. So guys, in this video we will talk about how to draw anything on a picture on iPhone. So what you have to do, you just have to open your gallery and select a picture. For example, I select that picture. If I want to draw anything on that picture, I will simply click on that and click on edit. Then on the right top corner I will see a pen here. You just have to click here. Then all these pens you can see here. Then select any pen which you want to use. For example, I will select that pen. Then I will select the color. After selecting the color, you can draw anything, like you can use a highlighter as well and change the color of that highlighter as well. So that's how you can write anything on a picture by using your iPhone. After that, you just have to click on done. Then your picture is ready to go.